How to make cinematic text in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. Start off by creating your text layer. For my example, I'm using Montserrat Light. Next, come up to Effects and search for Blur, and then drag Gaussian Blur onto your text layer. Come into Effect Controls, and make a keyframe on the blurriness, scale, and opacity. Bring the blurriness up to 100, leave the scale as it is for now and change the opacity to 0. Move your playhead to where you want this animation to end. I'm going to go 1 second. Then come up to blurriness and change this to 0. Come into scale and change this to around 110, and then move this second keyframe to the very end. And then come down to opacity and bring this back up to 100%. Next, click the keyframes for blurriness, right click and then choose ease in, right click, choose ease out. Click the keyframes for scale, right click, choose ease in, right click, choose ease out. And finally, click the keyframes for opacity, right click, ease in, and right click, ease out. With all of this done, we can play back this and we have some cinematic text. And that's all there is to it.